Have you ever sent a message to someone and wondered, did they really get it? Are they even listening? That's exactly how computers talk too. But they've got a secret handshake to make sure everything's clear before they start. Let's uncover this handshake that powers the internet. In this video, we'll answer 3 key questions. What exactly is a TCP handshake? Why do computers need it? And how does it work to make the internet as reliable as it is today? This isn't just theory. I'll explain it using examples from everyday life, so you'll never look at your internet connection the same way again. Stick around for a free visual guide to nail this concept. Imagine you want to send a gift to a friend in another city. You don't want it to get lost, broken, or delivered to the wrong person. What do? This is exactly what TCP, short for Transmission Control Protocol, does for data on the internet. It ensures that information, like emails or videos, gets sent securely and accurately between computers. Let's go back to the gift example. When you send a gift, there's a process. You check the address, ensure the package is secure, and get a confirmation when it's delivered. Here's how the TCP handshake works in 3 simple steps. 1. SYN, starting the conversation. Your computer says, "Hey, I'd like to connect." Think of this as asking the courier if they can deliver your package. 2nd step. SYN, acknowledging the request. The other computer replies, "Sure, I'm ready to connect." Are you? Just like the courier checks if they can reach the recipient and says, "Let's do it." 3rd and final step. ACK. Confirming the connection. Your computer says, "Great, let's start." Just like when you confirm with the courier that the package is ready to go. And just like that, the connection is established. Now data, or your gift, can travel securely and reliably. The TCP handshake ensures that devices agree to communicate before exchanging information, making the internet a more reliable place for all of us. So next time you send an email or stream a video, remember the TCP handshake working quietly in the background. Want to learn more about how the internet works? Like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech explanations.